Welcome to Auto Show, your go-to channel for the latest reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes-Benz, a model that sets a new standard in luxury, performance, and technology. Whether you're a fan of the brand or just a car enthusiast, you're in for a treat as we explore everything this vehicle has to offer. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup continues to uphold the brand's commitment to elegance, innovation, and power. Under the hood, you'll find a range of engine options, from efficient 4-cylinder turbocharged engines to more powerful 6-cylinder and V8 options for those looking for serious performance. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models will also be available, making this lineup more versatile and eco-friendly than ever before. Mercedes has also introduced a fully electric model in 2025, showcasing their dedication to moving toward a sustainable future without compromising on the luxury and performance they're known for. One of the highlights of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz models is the redesigned exterior. The sleek, aerodynamic shape not only enhances the car's visual appeal but also improves its efficiency and handling. The new LED lighting system offers a sharper and more modern look, while also enhancing visibility on the road. The larger grille and updated Mercedes emblem reflect a bolder, more confident presence on the road, ensuring that this vehicle turns heads wherever it goes. Inside the 2025 Mercedes-Benz, you'll find an interior that's been designed with both comfort and technology in mind. The materials used in the cabin are top-notch, with soft leather upholstery, real wood trim, and metallic accents that exude luxury. The seats offer multiple adjustment options, heating and cooling features, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the weather. In terms of technology, the new Mercedes-Benz is equipped with the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system, which now features an even larger touchscreen display, enhanced voice controls, and more connectivity options. The system is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to control everything from navigation to media with ease. Additionally, the vehicle comes with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, making it one of the safest cars on the market. The driving experience in the 2025 Mercedes-Benz is nothing short of remarkable. The vehicle's suspension system has been fine-tuned for a smooth ride, while the advanced steering and braking systems provide excellent control and responsiveness. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the car feels stable and effortless to drive. The electric models offer instant torque, giving you a quick and silent acceleration that's perfect for urban driving. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specs, and automotive news, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Show and hit the notification bell. We've got plenty of exciting content coming up, so stay tuned.